Welcome to the new daily analysis. Currently we have gold against US dollar. Yesterday formed this bearish engulfing candle where we can see a bearish candle has gone from the upper side of 2329.13 below, and we can see that the previous day, which was a bullish breakout on the market, currently has been failed. But we need to pay attention to this because on a Thursday we had a bullish candle form a bullish breakout to the upper side. Then we had on a Friday a bearish engulfing candle which all formed this bearish breakout. On a Monday it was invalidated with this bullish candle. Then currently yesterday on a Tuesday the price has formed a bearish breakout which has invalidated this previous candle body. So this means we currently have indecision on the market where the price cannot make sustain this movement in any of the directions, and we can see that very important level is 2329.13. Yesterday we can see the price tried to continue to rise in value because of this week, but the price then later on during the day the price dropped down. Where the price is currently heading, currently what I can see, the price is closed below these two candles, open and close. We can see that here, which means suggesting further decline down in price. But because of this currently movement of the sideways moving, where the price cannot continue in any of the direction of these breakouts, I will pay attention on the lower time frames, what happens on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. You can see that here, and I will share that with the traders inside the trading Telegram community. If you would like to join, feel free to check the link below in the description. But currently what I can see, the market has tried to move even more down because we can see this week, and we currently have this bullish candle formed on the chart. But the day has just started, so we cannot make any conclusions. We will see what happens. A very important levels below this one is this one here around 2311.91 and around 2310, and below that, if the price continues to fall down, it will be around this start of this demand zone, around this support level, around 2299.00. Now, if we take a look on the weekly, this was a bearish candle formed in the previous week where this bullish breakout has been invalidated, suggesting further decline down in value. So I have several cases here, two large candles, bearish candles, that are suggesting that the price is currently experiencing a pretty strong sell-off, selling pressure here. This is a supply zone where the sellers are pushing the price even more down. But there are also buyers preventing the price from falling down, so we'll see how the day will close. But currently, what I can see, there is probability that the price reverses even more down. We'll see on the lower time frames. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.